Hey friends, how you doing? It's your neighborhood college success coordinator with Student U. Just want to share some of my wellness practices for Wellness Wednesday. So we are here on my on a back porch, and I wanted to share some of my gardening efforts. Very small scale gardening efforts, but I have some really important things in here. Things that are important to me. I have some tomatoes, which are very utilitarian vegetable. Also have some red and green onions. Um, and then I also have one of my favorite delightful fruits, watermelon, and they're coming up very nicely. Um, all three of these things are very easy to grow. You can get your onions at a Home Depot in bulb form. You can also get tomato plants at Home Depot, or you can grow them from seed. Some of these tomatoes we actually grew from seed, and it's not that hard. You just got to keep it in a stable, warm environment. Keep it watered per the recommendations on whatever seed package you get, and that's kind of it. You want to get some good soil. If you compost at home, which means that you take your food scraps and put them in some dirt and turn it around and let it break down naturally, then that's usually your richest soil. But also you can get some good potting soil, and that should do as well. All of these items you see can fit in the pot. Eventually, I will take these watermelon and separate them into their own pot because watermelon tend to vine, and they need a lot of space to spread out. So I'll probably set them closer to the ground, and I'll give them their own space. But as far as root goes, if you get a good big size pot, you should be able to fit a whole watermelon root in there. Same with tomatoes. If you're growing a lot of tomatoes, you're going to want more space. But for a single plant, you can just put it in a pot. You with tomatoes, as they get bigger, you'll need some kind of cage or a stick, and this will help. The weight of the tomatoes won't break the plant. So I'd love to hear about you all's wellness practices. Yeah, see you soon.